Yo, what up? Duane the Wrench. Well, as we can see, I got a check engine light when I started my car this morning. Runs fine. Check engine light. I put my Carly in it, and I don't know, it just said something about the oil bank or something like that. It didn't even have power. It's at 7,000 instead of high 8s. So who knows what's going on, you know? These temperamental prom queen. So dropped off my work van today so I could have so I could get an alignment done. And right now I wanted to take the car out. Having some issues at my house that I want to get away from and breathe a little bit. So I know I have this big Broadway here. Old school racers, that's what we used to put on our cars, is these Broadways. Let's see. I'm not sure how this camera, I know a lot of people that put these cameras on it shoots it too high, so I'm angling it down a little bit, and hopefully that does something, but we won't know. And that's about it. So I'm gonna go to B&B Auto Haas, see if they could scan this code, let me know what it is or how important. Just because there's an engine code doesn't mean that it's anything special. Like I said, this is a temperamental vehicle. And maybe we'll find somebody that wants to race. I do enjoy this car, okay? I'm not trying to, be unsafe with it. There's a lot of money in this fucking car that makes it go the way it's supposed to go. Right on rails. I got mono balls in the knuckles. Yeah, so we'll see. And I've had this car 3 years, going on 4 years with it. It has, I put about 7,000 miles in 4 years. Good miles. Drive it like you stole it. Not quite. I do enjoy this car, driving it around. But it does want to be driven fast. So got the police just hanging out. He probably wants to check my car out, and I'm okay with that. only going about 68. At least on the dash it says 68. We could go a little faster, but you know, who knows? Well, this is a boring drive. Sorry, everybody, but it just is. We have Popo, you know, wherever they are, right at my right tail. We'll just go to B&B Auto Haus. Let's see if they want to party. Probably going to go to the 125. And he is actually getting off he just got off the freeway. See that Corvette? Do you want some? Didn't seem like it.